You're here at the Mouse Vibes. We're at the entertainment capital of LA, Universal Studios Hollywood. It's no secret that Universal is crowded and expensive. So today we're gonna show you the top mistakes to avoid to make sure that you guys save time and money.
Welcome back to another Mouse Vibes video. I'm so stoked to be back at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're gonna start our video right here at the front gate. And something that might be common sense, but as my Nana always says, common sense ain't always that common.
First mistake to avoid is don't wait to get your ticket at the ticket booth. Buy it ahead online. You're gonna save about $5 or $6, which doesn't seem like a lot, but theme parks are expensive and it does add up. On top of that,
time is money, boo.
And this is gonna save you over an hour. Just download your tickets digitally, scan the QR code, and walk on in to start your day. I'm sorry, who wants to start their vacation with no shade, waiting in the heat? Not me. Good thing we have our tickets. Let's walk on in.
Avoid this mistake of just flying blind. You're gonna wanna download the Universal Studios app just to get a good lay of the land. It's gonna give you all the show times, wait times, map of the park, and virtual queue will all be on the app. And it's just really convenient. They offer free Wi-Fi here as well.
If you guys are used to only going to Universal Orlando, or if you've never been here, our park is a little bit different. It is split into kind of two parks, an upper lot and a lower lot. So you're gonna wanna download the app and have a map at your fingertips. Things change all throughout the day and it's not so easy to navigate, especially when you're trying to time out wait times on the lower lot and upper lot, and how long the escalator is gonna take to get up and down. Another mistake to avoid when coming to Universal Studios Hollywood is not showing up prepared.
Where'd everyone get those?
Do you need to be told everything?
And by that, I mean you don't wanna come here and have to spend extra money on stuff that you could have packed at home or on your trip. So let me show you my theme park essentials. First, do not roll your eyes. I always bring earplugs. I am noise sensitive. I always have these bad boys on me. Always bring your sunglasses, protect those eyes. Hand sanitizer. A hand sanitizer when you're traveling is gonna be like 15 bucks. Just bring it on your own and then you can get the cute, super good smelling one.
I mean, don't forget 2020, guys. That should have been everyone's
don't forget 2020. Don't be nasty. Wash your hands and bring this with you. If you wear 14,000 pounds of makeup like me, you're gonna wanna bring your lipstick to touch up, and also a compact because I'm gonna get oily throughout the day and it's really, really hot. So hot here! Lash glue, sorry. Chapstick, you don't want crusty lips while you're meeting all these characters. But the most important thing if you wanna save money is bring your own water bottle.
There are a ton of places to fill up your water bottle in the park, and actually all the Coke Freestyle machines, you're able to get ice with your ice water, so that's always a plus. Who doesn't want ice water on a hot day? And also it cuts down on waste. You're not worried about plastic and any of that good stuff, so bring your water bottle.
I was literally just gonna go on camera and be like, protect the environment, use less plastic.
If we don't speak up for them, who will? Right, Chelsea?
That's why we brought this. And also one of these canteens is gonna keep your water cold all day, whereas you bring plastic, you're gonna have to keep buying it. So let's go fill this up and show you one of the refill stations. This is our favorite spot to fill up our water bottle because a lot of people don't know about it. It's right on Minion's Way and Pet's Place outside of Otto's Toy Shop.
It's literally tucked away in this corner like no one knows this is here.
Do you guys want to know the best sound of what this sound is? It's the sound of saving money. Yo!
We're over here at the Studio Tram Tour, and there's a couple mistakes you don't want to make in this area. Number one, it's the world famous Studio Tram Tour, so don't miss it.
Welcome to Universal Studios, where you learn Hollywood secrets on the Universal Studios Tour.
And number two, try to prioritize your seating in here. Our favorite row is row number 3.
What a lot of people don't know is when you get on the Studio Tram Tour, you can actually pick where you sit and what side. I personally love the left side because you get the picture cars and the flash flood. Nick loves the right side.
Yeah, because you get Jaws in the Psycho House. Who doesn't love that?
And that is true, but Jaws scares me and so does Norman Bates. So left forever, woo!
Wrong side! Left side! Wrong side!
Also another heads up here for the Studio Tram Tour. The Studio Tram Tour is roughly 45 minutes to an hour, so use the restroom beforehand. They have one down here, and you can also bring food, drinks on board, so if you actually want a beer or an adult beverage, you can buy it over here and enjoy the hour-long tram tour.
I am the pee-pee queen of America.
So I never miss the restroom before the hour-long Studio Tram Tour. There's nothing worse than being stuck on the tram tour and feeling uncomfortable having to go to the bathroom, and you don't want to be the person that pulls the little rope and be like, I gotta go pee. So just don't make that mistake. Go to the bathroom. Another mistake to avoid if you're here in Simpsons Land and you need to find a place to eat seat. We're above Krusty Burger in the Simpsons VIP Lounge. You don't have to be a VIP to get up here. A lot of people don't even know it exists. Therefore, there's a lot of empty tables and there's free AC. Who doesn't want that? And it's way better than walking around in the heat with your food being like, I need a seat.
This is one of my favorite places inside the park, and a lot of people don't even know about the Krusty VIP room. I actually made a video of all the secrets on Springfield, USA, including the VIP room, so go check that out. It's in the description below. Down to the lower lot, and another mistake you don't want to make is don't forget to utilize the free lockers right over here in the Mummy Queue. It's a free 90-minute locker that you can store all your stuff in there while you ride all the rides on the lower lot. Nothing in life is free.
Oh, snap.
If you're gonna get on Jurassic World and get wet and you wanna break from your backpack and you wanna protect your stuff, this is a great place to store for the free 90 minutes, as Nick said, and you cannot bring a bag onto the Mummy. So just put all your stuff in here, go frolic around free without your stuff, and it is free. Woohoo! Don't miss out on this secret.
We've made inside Super Nintendo World the newest lane here at Universal Studios Hollywood. And just like it's been since January, it's packed.com here, guys. The line to get on the ride is 150 minutes. You can't even get a reservation for Toadstool Cafe. What I would say is prioritize Super Nintendo World. It's the newest land here. You can spend $20 to $25 to get an early access ticket that gets you into Universal before anyone an hour before. That way you can knock out the ride, explore Super Nintendo with no one in here. You have to visit this land. It's the only one here domestically.
This is truly one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of families that we've seen online make by not prepping to come to Super Nintendo World. You cannot get a reservation at Toadstool Cafe on the app or the website. It's actually a third-party link that will link in the description below. And you can use the QR code here, but by the time you get in the land, the reservations for Toadstool are already booked up. It is lunch o'clock here at Universal Studios Hollywood on a super busy Saturday. Don't make the mistake by waiting in line for food. Mobile order. We had an immediate pickup time over at Luigi's, and then we came over to the Krusty VIP room and air conditioning to eat.
Mobile ordering is brand new here at Universal Studios, and there only used to be a couple options. Now there's 10 different options here, so you can get all your favorite foods immediately. And again, nobody knows about it. It's like the best kept secret. We walked right in, got our food. It took longer for us to find a seat than to get our food.
No way. Yes way.
Another mistake not to make is don't skip out on the character meet and greets. You can meet over 30 characters here at Universal Studios Hollywood, on the upper lot, the lower lot, in the rides, everywhere. It is epic. Do not skip out on it. See, they just came behind me. And if you guys want an extra tip, if you sit right here, where are we, babe?
Soundstage 52.
So right next to Soundstage 52 on the main, upper street by Starbucks, if you wait right here, you can get Scoob and the Gang, Frankenstein, We Like to Move It guy, can't remember his name, Trolls, like you could literally get everyone, Marilyn, like everyone's gonna pop out.
Can you find Shrek and Fiona here?
Yeah, you can find Shrek and Fiona. Oh!
We love you, Shrek! And Fiona. Can't forget Fiona.
Imagine making the mistake and being like,
I don't need to see the characters.
and then like, you don't meet Shrek and Fiona, like, get out of here.
Unreal. Did you even go to Universal if you didn't meet Shrek? I'll go ahead and put it on wax. The character meet and greets here at Universal Studios are my favorite ones. They're super diverse. It starts all the way from the 1930s with the Universal Monsters.
Oh, you just missed it. His little show. Oh, slay!
And now he's
Why
gone.
don't I have a cape? I want one. Should I make one? I love the variety of characters here, and my favorite thing is that they have Frankenstein and Dracula here year round. Like in January, in the middle of summer, it doesn't have to be Halloween to get a bit spooked, and it's just like they all interact with each other, and I think that's really cool. Like to see a minion interact with Dracula, it's like not something you see every day.
Yes, I heard that. That is the sonic hearing, I guess.
What do you think about Scoob and the Gang?
Scoob and the Gang's great. Are they behind me? Like, you keep it, and they're walking by me, right?
I have this
See how
great
many?
view.
See, this is a great tip. Don't make the mistake. Don't sleep on the character interaction.
And you think these guys right here are just like janitors, custodians? No, they're not. They're gonna be the street sweepers. Come on.
Hi.
They're not. They don't street sleep. They were like Troy Bolton High School Musical when he does dance. Stop.
Is that what they do?
Yeah.
Okay, now say what up to Scoob.
What is happening right now?
Hey, Scoob!
to avoid is skipping out or missing Waterworld. This is the only Waterworld show in the domestic US parks, and it is an award-winning show with real actors, and it is so good, you guys. You cannot miss it.
The show's been running for 25 years. Like Ashley was saying, they're real actors and stunt players here in Hollywood. So some of them are from your favorite shows.
And from the office, I'm Scott Damien. Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful day here at Universal Studios, Hollywood.
I love this show. It's been running again, like I said, for 25 years and is my favorite entertainment offer out of any of the domestic parks for Universal. I love this show.
And if you guys are coming here in the summer heat, it is great to watch the show and especially sit in the front because you get super wet.
Wait, hold on. Let me see what happened with this.
And you get the best view of these real stunts. There's fire, there's diving, there's fighting, there's knives. It is wild. It is so good, and I guarantee you'll have your mind blown. Do not skip it.
And it's just a good way to escape the heat and get like 30 minutes of shade and kind of just sit down and relax and get away from the hustle and bustle.
And there's multiple show times throughout the day, so you guys have time, but definitely check it out. And it's even popping up right now. Another mistake to avoid is not taking advantage of the amazing, iconic photo spots here around Universal Studios Hollywood. There's so many places to take photos, and if you really think about it, you gotta stop take the photos because it's memories for your scrapbook, to put on Instagram with your family. It's something to look back on and like cherish these moments.
If it's not on Instagram, you really didn't go there, right?
Or if you didn't print it out and physically have it, like frame it in your house. We have so many photos framed from this park at our house, and I love looking at them and just like thinking back of the memories.
I will say I don't have an absolute favorite spot. We have like a top 5, so we'll list our favorite ones right now.
I love taking photos everywhere in this park, but my favorite time is during golden hour when the sun sets. It is so beautiful around Los Angeles, and it makes for the perfect backdrop for your photos.
You get a whole city view of all of Burbank. It's beautiful.
It's so nice, and even in Harry Potter land when the sun is setting and you have Hogwarts Castle, like it is chef's kiss.
It's just something unique. You don't find that in any other theme park. No other theme park is built on the side of a mountain.
Or an iconic place like Los Angeles. All right, that's gonna do it for the Mouse Vibes here at Universal Studios Hollywood, showing you all the mistakes to avoid on your next visit.
We hope this video helps you plan your next visit here to Universal Studios Hollywood. We know that your time, your money, and your patience are all valuable, especially on vacation.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and if not, thanks for stopping by.